And we're live.
You videotaping now?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Okay. Oh, never mind.
Where are they gonna come from?
They're gonna come from right here.
Yeah.
Either that or closest sim to right here anyways.
Hey. Just watch where you're going. Hey,
Yeah.
face that way.
How about I get over there?
Yeah, just don't shoot out. Stay with me. Stay with me the whole time. Are they ready? They're right there. Nobody will take the fields, they don't take the people. Hey, go! Hey, what guns are they using? The AK and Hey, wait for me a minute. I don't know what range it's going. Hey, does this shoot far?
Yeah, mid. This thing have a zoom?
Why do you put it on safe? That's gay. Hey, they're going up. They're going up. Ryan, you go that way. Come on up.
Hoorah!
That's right.
Should have kept my pistol. I would have videotaped and kept my pistol. Yep.
I can't go that way. They have me pinned down. Thanks, horrible to carry it around. But okay. Let's do it. Oh, they're right there.
Here.
That's close, dude. Wow, you're smart.
Keep.
Christian. What are you doing, right?
Keep this and wrapped up. I'm just saying, keep that wrapped up too.
It's out of ammo. It doesn't have a clip. I know. I need that gun. Cody, have me the pistol. Helps.
What?
Go out there. Cody, have me the pistol. No, dude, Frank's right
Come.
there. I think Frank.
It's me, dumbass! Cody, go. Go. Run.
Hey, Zach.
Cody, does this zoom?
Yeah.
The little
Top,
dial?
top. It's touchscreen. So if you go on the menu. Okay. No, you're good. Leave it there. Come on. Auto. Fuck. Hey, damn it. Hey. Fuck. Go high.
Game over!